Hello, I need a taxi, please.
Hello, sure. Where are you now?
I am in the city center on Green Street.
Okay. Are you near a building or a hotel?
Yes, I am near the City Hotel.
Good. Where do you want to go?
I want to go to the train station.
All right. One taxi is coming now.
How long will it take?
It will take about 7 minutes.
Okay. Thank you very much.
You're welcome, miss.
Hi!
Hi, miss. Welcome to the taxi. How are you today?
I am fine, thank you. And you?
I am good, thank you.
Can we go to the train station, please?
Yes, of course.
How long will the ride take?
It will take about 15 minutes.
Is there a lot of traffic today?
Yes, there is some traffic in the city center.
Okay, that's fine. How much will it cost?
It will cost about $10.
Can I pay by card?
Yes, you can pay by card or cash.
Great, thank you.
You're welcome. Thank you.
Is this your first time in the city?
Yes, it is my first time here.
Do you like the city so far?
Yes, I like it very much.
The city is very beautiful.
Yes, it is.
We are at the train station.
Please stop here. Great, thank you very much.
You're welcome.
Goodbye.
Goodbye. Have a good trip.